at it go.
Holy shit, my speed camera gets pumped. Holy shit.
Oh my god, look at it go.
I can't even keep up with it.
Wait, dude, pull in your train. Honk. Snap. Honk. That's it.
Oh my goodness.
You already have some happy
Oh my god, this train is epic.
Yes. That train's so freaking epic.
It's in little.
Slowing down on purpose. Yeah, I'm trying to park it.
What? You're slowing it down?
It does not slow down well.
Come on. Bring it to its max speed.
Wait, I need to teleport. Guys, wait for me. I need to go to Cypress Creek. Oh my god, it's going so fast.
It's so fast.
What is this? Is this the train vroom vroom?
Saudi Arabia. The train is Saudi Arabia. Hashtag flying train.
It's from. This is from Saudi Arabia?
No.
It's from America, but it's a meme train, so.
Did you go 500 miles an hour is how fast the plane's going up in the sky? That's how fast they This is accurate.
The train is not fast enough. I'm exceeding its limit.
Gotta go first.
Stop walking.
It has no wheel. It has no wheel.
Lol. It's a bird. It's a plane. Why did you remove it, you son of a...
Hefty.
I'm just stopping at the station right now.
This is the Miami. This is the Miami.
Actually giving
This
like
is the Miami. This is the vintage video. F48. Number 200. Leaving Miami Yard after. Over.
That voice, where did that go? Yeah, it's true. 200. Over.
Roger that. Leaving Amtrak Miami Yard. Over.
200, this is 503. Are you looking good over there?
Sam
over.
Jack.
Over. Amtrak 50. Yeah, one of the cars, and I.
This is Amtrak 503 stopping at Deltray. Passenger count so far is
What is a F40 engine? But we sold out in a train game. For freak's sake, holy sh!
There is Royal fans on the Hollywood station, so why not giving them some hunks? Amtrak 200 over.
over.
Amtrak 5.
Attention all passengers, this is Amtrak 503, also known as
Seems like we're going to pass the biggest railroad crossing ever, so why not giving them a honk? Amtrak number 200, vintage signature to station. Next
Now we are arriving at.
West Palm Beach. Cruising at a speed of 16 miles per hour. Over.
Now arriving at Delray Beach.
We already passed it.
Yes, I know, but okay. So next, let's scrub the next.
Cover view.
This is Amtrak 503. We are now approaching Boca Raton. If any other oncoming freight trains are, we don't have passage because now it comes first.
We are going to pass the station. Leave Underdale. Amtrak 200, number 200, over.
Why is there freaking Charliewood deposing at the freaking station? What the f?
The Pepsi train. The next stop will be. I actually don't know.
Oh lol, you don't know where to go.
I actually do not know.
No man.
Let me look.
Oh, my train's about to pass.
Sorry, we're having a little technical difficulty.
I think if the next station is.
This is Amtrak 200, going to pass Pompano Beach. Over.
Over.
Well, I have no. I don't want to drive. There's only 2 tracks.
This
But
is
I just
Amtrak
don't-
200, going to pass Dorfield Station, and there seems to be rail fanners, so why not giving them a honk?
This is 503, passing 200. Hello, 200.
Hello there. Have a great trip, Amtrak.
503.
Okay. Have a safe trip to your next stop. Over.
I seem to have so much fun while I don't have any.
This is Amtrak 503. We have now officially stopped at Deerfield.
Roger that. This is Amtrak 200, heading toward southwest beach yard. Over.
I'm gonna send you like 2 or 3 pics.
This is Amtrak 200. I'm currently heading to Delray Beach Station. Over.
Over. That's up my game yesterday.
If you are, you're a tenant of the round trip back to West Palm, please make sure that you leave any belongings in the car as well. We stop at trustworthy stops to, as these 3 stops to.
Let me just restart that.
Amtrak 503, please make sure that all those belongings are at least in reach, just in
It's
case
already
emergency
messed
happens.
up.
Thank you.
It's already messed up.
You didn't messed up, you know?
I know that, but
I'm trying to restart, and you started talking, which messed me.
it's so funny if I.
This is Amtrak number 200. I'm currently heading to the southwest Palm Beach. Over.
I'm gonna reset my train.
Starting slowly down. This is Amtrak number 200 approaching West Palm Beach Station. All passengers have rode to the Vintage Special.
Attention, this is Norfolk Southern 7500. We are now exiting West Palm Beach Yard, and we're heading on to Deerfield. So stop for oncoming traffic.
Norfolk Southern